But nearly a half century ago, it was a much different story.
Oh, it sure was. Today marks the 50th anniversary of the colossal blizzard of '66. It blanketed central New York over the course of 5 days. The blizzard dumped about 42 inches of snow, and that wasn't the only problem.
And people still remember where they were at the time. Parts of Oswego County saw more than 100 inches of snow. That's more than 8 feet.
And look at the snowbanks you're seeing here. And remember, snow blowers weren't abundant, that's for sure. If it wasn't bad enough, winds were whipping up to 100 miles per hour, especially in that Oswego area where the winds and that blizzard condition really persisted.
Well, meteorologist Molly Matat wasn't alive back then, but she is live now from Fulton, one of the areas slammed by the massive blizzard nearly 50 years ago. And Molly, I know parents and grandparents, they still talk about it.
Oh, that's right. When you talk about the blizzard of '66, not only does everyone know what you're talking about, everybody has a story. We're here in Fulton, which was one of the hardest hit areas, and 50 years ago today, flakes started flying to the north in Fulton and Oswego, and intersections like this at 481 and Oneida Street were nearly impassable. Look at this video of just how intense this storm was across all of central New York. Snow drifts were as high as 2- or 3-story buildings. Blizzard conditions were sustained through an entire 24-hour period. Many places got a lot of snow and not a lot of time, and many people took in complete strangers into their home that were stranded in cars across central New York. Now, Jim Furfaya, he is a born Fultonian. He remembers the storm very well. He's a local author, and when he was a kid, he had an entire week off from school for this storm. He wanted to see if anyone else had stories, and a little outreach went a long way.